What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about HootSuite. HootSuite is the ultimate social media management platform, empowering businesses to streamline their social presence and drive real results. With its powerful scheduling, publishing, and analytics tools, HootSuite simplifies social media marketing, allowing teams to save time, engage audiences, and measure success. Now, let's talk about some of its benefits and key features. Publishing. HootSuite's publishing tools make it simple to plan, schedule, and publish content across all your social networks from one convenient dashboard. With a social media calendar, you can easily map out your content strategy and schedule posts to go live at the optimal times for your audience. The bulk post scheduling feature allows you to plan hundreds of posts in advance, ensuring a consistent presence on your channels. HootSuite also offers a handy hashtag generator to help your posts get discovered by the right people and integrate with Canva for quick and easy content creation. By leveraging these publishing features, you can save valuable time, boost engagement, and collaborate seamlessly with your team to get posts approved before they go live. Analytics. HootSuite's powerful analytics tools provide a comprehensive view of your social media performance across all networks. With reporting features that track key metrics and compare organic, paid, and web data side by side, you can easily prove the ROI of your social media efforts. The competitor benchmarking feature allows you to see how your brand stacks up against the competition, while the ability to identify top-performing posts help you replicate success. HootSuite also offers the flexibility to create custom metrics tailored to your specific goals and needs. By leveraging these analytics features, you can gain valuable insights into what content and strategies are working best, optimize your posting times for maximum engagement and reach, and demonstrate the business impact of your social media efforts. Owly Writer AI. HootSuite's Owly Writer AI feature is a game changer for social media marketers looking to save time and boost engagement. With AI-powered caption writing and post ideas, you can quickly generate engaging content based on your prompt, ensuring your audience stay hooked. The feature also allows you to easily recreate your top-performing posts with a few clicks, helping you replicate success and keep your content calendar full of fresh ideas. By harnessing the power of AI, you can streamline your content creation process, reduce burnout, and keep your followers coming back for more. Best time to post. HootSuite's Best Time to Post feature takes the guesswork out of your posting schedule by providing recommended times to share content based on your audience's activity. With this feature, you can easily schedule posts to go live at the ideal times, ensuring maximum engagement and reach. By optimizing your posting times, you can save time and effort while boosting the performance of your social media campaigns. Engagement. HootSuite's engagement features help you manage customer interactions and build strong relationships with your audience. With a unified social media inbox, you can respond to messages and mentions from all your network in one place, ensuring timely and consistent communication. The Saved Replies feature allows you to quickly address common questions and reduce repetitive tasks, while the ability to assign messages to team members facilitates efficient collaboration. By leveraging these engagement features, you can provide exceptional customer service, build brand loyalty, and drive business growth. Listening. HootSuite's social listening tools help you stay on top of industry conversations and trends, giving you a competitive edge. With the ability to monitor keywords, hashtags, and competitors, you can gain valuable insights into what matters most to your audience. The sentiment analysis feature allows you to identify positive and negative sentiments, helping you protect your brand reputation and address issues properly. HootSuite also offers customizable alerts for brand mentions, ensuring you never miss an opportunity to engage with your audience. By leveraging these listening features, you can stay ahead of the curve, identify new opportunities, and make data-driven decisions to drive your social media strategy forward. Social Media Inbox. HootSuite's social media inbox is a game changer for businesses looking to streamline their customer interactions. With this feature, you can manage messages and comments from all your social networks in one unified inbox, saving time and effort. The ability to assign messages to team members facilitates efficient collaboration, ensuring that every customer inquiry is addressed promptly and effectively. The Saved Replies feature allows you to quickly respond to common questions, reducing repetitive tasks and ensuring consistent communication. By leveraging the social media inbox, you can provide exceptional customer service, build strong relationships with your audience, and drive business growth. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. One of the main drawbacks of HootSuite is its pricing structure, which can be quite expensive compared to some competitors. HootSuite's plan starts at $99 per month for the professional plan, with the small teams plan costing $249 per month and the business plan coming in at $739 per month. The enterprise plan is available on request and is likely the most expensive option. Additionally, HootSuite has limited the number of team members to 3 and 5 for the team and business plans respectively, meaning that adding more users can significantly increase the cost of using the platform. For businesses or teams that require a larger number of users or more advanced features, the cost of HootSuite may not provide the best value for money. Another potential drawback of HootSuite is its user interface, which some users find to be cluttered and confusing. The platform's dashboard can feel crowded, with many tabs for various social profiles appearing together, making it difficult to navigate for some users. The interface has been criticized as clunky, old-fashioned, and buggy by some users, and HootSuite has been slow to make significant improvement to the UI despite having the funding to do so. While the interface may work well for some users who prefer having everything on a single screen, others may find it overwhelming and prefer a more segregated viewing experience. Finally, HootSuite can have a steep learning curve, especially for beginners or those new to social media management tools. The platform offers a wide range of features, and it can take time to learn how to use them all effectively. HootSuite is designed primarily for teams and enterprise-level customers, so individual users or small teams of 2 to 3 members may find the platform to be overkill for their needs and not worth the investment given the cost of the pricing plans. In these cases, users may be better off considering alternatives to HootSuite that are known for their ease of use and comprehensive resource libraries such as Social Pilot. HootSuite's comprehensive social media management platform offers a wide range of powerful features to help businesses streamline their social presence and drive real results. From publishing and analytics to AI-powered content creation and social listening, HootSuite provides the tools and insights needed to save time, engage audiences, and measure success in social media. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.